This video is being created for consideration by your team. It is a quick review of the proposed solution for an application found in a metal manufacturing facility. The metal production facility had experienced scale deposits restricting the flow of cooling water to process equipment. A team was then assembled and we were brought in to propose a safe method to clear the deposits from the jacketed vessels, plate and frame exchangers, shell and tube bundles, and all their associated piping. The deposit was identified as containing the standard water-based scale in such systems, but with a higher than normal iron oxide level. General fouling with rust can greatly reduce the performance of process equipment. As seen in this Department of Energy report, iron oxide contributes to significant losses of efficiency. The deposits can block cooling water and treatment efforts. Both can cause an increased risk from under-deposit corrosion and premature failures. The Croft team assembled a bevy of experts to discuss the removal of scale deposits and methods to prevent future accumulation. These waterside deposits tend to destroy efficiency and puts the metals they contact at an increased risk of failure during operation. Croft, the water treatment experts, and our company, Delta Products Group, were tasked with devising a strategy for the safe and efficient removal of scale deposits from this production facility. A sample of the deposits was collected and a mock cleaning cycle was performed in our testing lab. Bench testing the process with a small amount of scale collected at the facility empowers all parties to establish protocols as well as manage expectations. The sample was added to a beaker of Safety Scale plus RTD, a hand-safe sanitary sewer-safe, non-corrosive chemistry that just loves to dissolve scale. The SDS plus RTD attacks iron oxide, turning it into dissolved solids and a silt-like material devoid of minerals used by the scale as bonding agents. Time-lapse photography was implemented to show the process, as the chemistry is given time to dissolve the deposits like sugar and coffee. Typically, after the cleaning process is complete, the effluent is safely discharged to sanitary sewer. The vessels are rinsed until clear and returned to service. With this bench test, we allowed the undissolved debris to settle, skimmed the spent solution, and precipitated the dissolved solids from the effluent, revealing the significant quantity of dissolved solids removed from the sample scale. This is not part of the cleaning process, but a visual aid confirming that the SDS plus RTD removed scale. As we add an alkaline to the used solution, the dissolved solids are precipitated. This nearly transparent material would typically be flushed during the process. The precipitation process on display during the bench test is employed solely for effect. The application dictates the use of a descaler, our BioSoak as a biofilm penetrant, and some rid oil emulsifier to disperse the oils found in the system. The combination will allow the plant to dissolve deposits and flush the undissolved solids from the system. The chemistry dissolves the binding agents and renders the remaining debris loose, unbound, and silt-like, material that is easily rinsed from the equipment. The Department of Energy report documents the detrimental effects of scale on efficiency. Given the need to safely remove a significant quantity of the debris bound to the surfaces being cleaned, the Delta Products Group hand-safe non-corrosive method is being proposed for deployment. The technician's safety is our first concern, followed closely by that of the environment and the longevity of the plant's assets. Thank you for the opportunity to allow Delta Products Group to assist with your efforts to improve efficiency in a safe, green way. When operating heat transfer equipment, a green clean is better and safe is best. We look forward to working together soon.